Well, it is Monday, and I am back in the office. I was in Gloucester County, New Jersey this morning representing a client, and then I swung over to Philadelphia to handle a matter there. With that said, it is Monday, and it is already a very, very busy week for our law firm here in New Jersey and in our office in Philadelphia as well. I want to talk a little bit about staying in contact with your lawyer throughout the entire process, and also remembering your court dates. It is very important. Now, obviously, our law firm and every law firm is going to update clients on court dates. But your attorney really should not be having to constantly remind you of when to appear for court. When a letter is sent from a lawyer's office to your house or to your email, it's very important to read it, obviously, put it on your calendar and make note of it. That's a very, very important court date. Even if it seems like a very, very minor thing that's happening in court. You say, I went to court and we were in and out in 10 minutes and nothing happened. Well, that's not necessarily true. A lot goes on behind closed doors with the judge, with the prosecutor, with the assigned assistant district attorney, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. And your presence is very, very important. And I can't tell you how uncomfortable it is when a client is late or fails to show up on time, or something happens, the client says he or she forgot the court date. It just starts things off on a very, very bad foot with the judge, and it makes things that much harder, especially in a very, very difficult case. So remember, court dates are always important. Never assume that you don't have to appear for court. Always assume you have to appear. If you have questions, contact your lawyer. Now we are still doing Zoom proceedings. I know that a lot of people are still working Zoom. I don't necessarily agree with that. I think that everyone should be back at work and working back in their offices, and I think court should be opened up, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But the point is that I think that we all should be back. But unfortunately, we are still doing some things via Zoom in some courts, but we are appearing live in many proceedings. We are luckily doing motions and trials, and things are moving. Zoom was a good thing that got us by, but now we should be getting back. So if you have questions about court dates, or you think you missed a court date, or there could be a bench warrant, never assume that you don't have a bench warrant. If you missed court, you probably do have a bench warrant. So if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. A tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available there in one convenient format. You can also sign up for our free weekly update, which goes out every Friday to over 3,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is a great resource to have going into your weekend. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Monday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.